Greetings to everyone. My name is Aaditya Bhattacharya. I am 16 and I am a student at Delhi Public School, Bhopal. I live in the state of Madhya Pradesh in India. I have my keen interest in astronomy and computer science, and at AI Journal of Incube Digital Foundation, I have received my opportunity to write articles by blending these two subjects. I would like to thank Satya sir and Kiran ma'am, who have made me realize my strengths and weaknesses in article writing so that I can work on them and of course enhance my productivity. So I would like to thank the AI Journal family as well as Incube Digital Foundation for providing me with this wonderful opportunity. So thank you all.